9 Health benefits from eating tomatoes. 1. Tomatoes are good for your skin. Tomatoes contain a high level of lycopene, which is a substance that is used in some of the more pricey facial cleansers that are available for purchase over the counter. If you want to try tomatoes for skincare, you need to start with about 8 to 12 tomatoes. Peel the tomatoes and then place the skin on your face with the inside of the tomato touching your skin. Leave the tomatoes on your face for a minimum of 10 minutes, then wash. Your face will feel clean and shiny. Some redness may occur but should fade with time. 2. Tomatoes help prevent several types of cancer. A number of studies have been conducted that indicate that the high levels of lycopene in tomatoes work to reduce your chances of developing prostate, colorectal, and stomach cancer. Lycopene is a natural antioxidant that works effectively to slow the growth of cancerous cells. Cooked tomatoes produce even more lycopene, so go ahead and cook up a batch of your mom's famous tomato soup. 3. Tomatoes help maintain strong bones. Tomatoes contain a considerable amount of calcium and vitamin K. Both of these nutrients are essential in strengthening and performing minor repairs on the bones as well as the bone tissue. 4. Tomatoes help repair damage caused by smoking. No, eating tomatoes is not the most recent fad to help you quit smoking. However, tomatoes can reduce the amount of damage done to your body by smoking cigarettes. Tomatoes contain fumaric acid and chlorogenic acid that work to protect the body from carcinogens that are produced from cigarette smoke. 5. Tomatoes provide essential antioxidants. Tomatoes contain a great deal of vitamin A and vitamin C. This is primarily because these vitamins and beta-carotene work as antioxidants to neutralize harmful free radicals in the blood. Free radicals in the bloodstream are dangerous because they may lead to cell damage. Remember, the redder the tomato you eat is, the more beta-carotene it contains. In addition, you also want to keep in mind that cooking destroys vitamin C, so for these benefits, the tomatoes need to be eaten raw. 6. Tomatoes are good for your heart. Because the vitamin B and potassium in tomatoes are effective in reducing cholesterol levels and lowering blood pressure. Therefore, by including tomatoes in your regular balanced diet, you can effectively prevent heart attacks, strokes, as well as many other heart-related problems that may threaten your life. 7. Tomatoes are good for your hair. The vitamin A in tomatoes works perfectly to keep your hair shiny and strong. In addition, it also does wonders for your eyes, skin, bones, and teeth. 8. Tomatoes are good for your kidneys. Adding tomatoes without seeds to your diet has been proven in some studies to reduce the risk of kidney stones. 9. Tomatoes are good for your eyes. The vitamin A found in tomatoes is fantastic for improving your vision. In addition, eating tomatoes is one of the best foods to eat to prevent the development of night blindness. Tomatoes are packed full of valuable minerals known as chromium. It works effectively to help diabetics keep their blood sugar levels under better control.